Bombard Renewable Energy was approached by Building Media to install a solar panel system on the home to help obtain a net zero energy cost for the home. Bombard is the leading solar contractor in the state of Nevada, and so we were the obvious choice. We chose SunPower, the most attractive and efficient solar panel on the market today. We installed a 4.8 kilowatt AC SunPower solar system with inverter that is tied to the grid and powers every appliance in the home, from the refrigerator, dishwasher, washer and dryer even to the pool pump and outdoor pool. To install the system on the roof, we wanted to make sure that it faced south so that we could get the best sunlight available. Because the roof was a metal standing seam roof, we were able to install the modules very easily using clamps directly to the standing seams. The modules then send DC current to an inverter where it's inverted to AC and then sent out to the grid when the home's not using it. The advancements in solar power, and specifically with the SunPower modules, has led to a more attractive design for consumers, meanwhile advancing efficiency as well. With their backside contacts, it allows for a flat black appearance of the modules and also allows for increased efficiency. The most efficient solar panels on the market today in the world are SunPower solar modules. It's a common myth that solar power won't work in cloudy environments, but it actually will. The solar panels do produce electricity even on cloudy days, and if that's your normal weather, it'll produce power for you there as well, not just in Las Vegas. Photovoltaics work on sunlight, not heat, so on cloudier days, when it may even be cooler, you could be producing a good amount of energy from your solar power system. The payback can be a little bit faster in the sunnier environments and sunnier climates. What we prefer to talk about instead of payback is locking in your energy rates for a 30-year period. You're going to pay for power no matter what. With the solar power system, you pay for your power in advance and have a payoff horizon of about 6 to 10 years. After that, it's free energy and you're making money. Solar power system will work just as well in a retrofit situation as it will in new construction. Because all of the wiring has to be in conduit, it's easily run on the outside of a home. Another benefit of the solar power system is it's creating green energy or clean energy. There's no environmental impact because of the solar power system. So in addition to the financial benefits of producing green energy, you're also producing clean energy. In addition to the solar photovoltaic system installed at the house, Bombard's mechanical division also installed a solar hot water heating system from Montility. The solar hot water heating system is located on the roof of the house near the photovoltaic array. Solar hot water is a great thing to do even if you're going to do a photovoltaic system, because the return on investment is just a couple of years, and especially if you have an all-electric house and don't have natural gas to heat your water. Even in cloudy conditions, a solar hot water heating system will work and produce hot water throughout the year. Yeah, many of the same components used to heat your water already would be used in a solar hot water heating system. There is a tank, and the water in the tank still gets heated. However, the tank gets heated liquid from the solar hot water modules first, and that primes the water and keeps it warm to a point where they can use a smaller amount of natural gas to heat the rest of the water. The Revision House in Las Vegas 2010 is a great example of sustainable building and sustainable living. The home is a net zero power consumption, and because of the solar power system from Bombard and SunPower, as well as the other improvements to the house, there's not going to be an electricity bill for this house for the next 30 years.